Hi everyone, in this video I am going to tell you what is prime factorization. How to find a prime factor of any number. We have to follow these 7 steps when we are finding prime factor of any number. Look at this. First example is 24. The first step is start with the number. Choose a number you want to factor like 24. Second step is find the smallest prime. This is set of prime numbers. So smallest prime number is 2. So we will start with 2. So we will draw 2 lines. Here we will write 24. We will write 2 here. Third step is divide. If the number is divisible by 2, divide it. Write down the result. So we know that 24 divided by 2 we will get 12. Fourth step is repeat. Continue dividing by 2 until it's no longer divisible. Means 12 is also divided by 2. So we know that 2 6 are 12. 6 is also divisible by 2. So we will write 2 here again. And we know that 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is not divisible by 2. Once you can't divide it by 2 anymore, move to the next prime number. 3, then 5, then 7, etc. So we will write 3 here. We know that 3 1s are 3. 3 divided by 3, answer will be 1. Next step is continue dividing, means repeat the process of dividing, writing down the prime factors until you reach 1. So we have reached 1. So we are done. Last step is list your factors. Now we will make list of all factors. The prime factors will be the numbers you used to divide, written in order. If we multiply all these prime numbers, we will get 24 again. So it means these 4 numbers are prime factors of 24. Remember, prime numbers are numbers greater than 1 that have no divisor other than 1 and themselves. So next example is 75. We will do the same with 75. We will start with the first prime number, which is 2. We know that 2 is not divisible by 75. Next we will choose second prime number, which is 3. So we will write 3 here. We know that 75 divided by 3 we will get 25. 25 is not divisible by 3. So we will get another prime number, which is 5. So we will write 5 here. We know that 25 divided by 5 we will get 5. So again we will write 5. 5 divided by 5, answer is 1. So we have reached 1. It means we are done. So prime factor of 75 we will list in order. If we multiply these 3 numbers, we will get 75. So prime numbers of 75 are 3, 5 and 5. Similarly 84, we will divide 84 by first prime number 2. We will get 42. Again we will write 2. We will get 21. Next prime number 3. We will get 7. 7 is not divisible by 5. So we will choose 7 prime number. So 7 1s are 7. So we have reached 1. So prime factor of 84 are 2, 2, 3 and 7. Actually, prime factorization means breaking a number down into the smallest number, called prime numbers, that multiply together to make that number. Summary of this video is just keep dividing by the smallest prime number until you can't divide anymore. Your answer will be the prime numbers that you used.